Hey guys, Silverbacked here with another video. Thanks for joining. I just want to go through our top 20 highest liquidity or highest market cap cryptos. If you're new or just joining us, essentially what I do is I try to align my portfolio or show what how to align the portfolio with the current market trend over 5 days. Nothing more, nothing less. It's as simple as that. And then I use what's called Heikin-Ashi candles. So essentially, it cuts out all the noise and just gives me the signal. I do look at normal candles too. That's what they look like. I'm going to start off today on daily. That's what the daily candles look like for DXY. If you're not familiar, that's the US dollar. You can see I've this yellow, I've marked out a possible the path it's been taking. However, having said that, I was tracing it to there from here and upwards and then down. That's all just like, what if it could go up, it could go sideways for a million years, it could go down, it could go anywhere. But but just looking at the previous history, it's gone up, down, pretty much up, down, down, and then, but it's basically remained within this sort of structure, this grey box and this red line. So that's basically sort of outlines exactly where the movement has been. So that's this has actually been pretty much right on what I actually have had on the chart for since September the 24th. So, or maybe the 24th. So 24th is that the year. The 4th of October. 30th of September, 4th of October. This is when I started calling out and saying, hey, we could probably do something like this. I've actually got a ray like trend line there with an alarm on it. It has not gone off, and look how steep it is. It's steep as hell. So as soon as that breaks, we could just like be set up to have what everyone's anticipating as the run, the crypto run, the stock market run, whatever, because all this extra pressure on, all this extra price movement puts pressure on the cryptos. So this is the dollar, US dollar. So this, it's very interesting to watch because it's like it's almost been mechanical the way it's been going. I haven't got this. If I change it to Heikin-Ashi, there's it's just like every single day. Like I've looked at when the daily candle's about to close, and it's like 0.36% up. It's always 0.3 or 0.2, just a little bit higher than it was yesterday, just to screw with us. And this is like liquidating people that have gone long a little bit too early. But like look at this right here. Look at all the green, it's so mechanical. And then look at the previous ones. Like it's been green, red, green, red. Maybe that one's for the closest. But here green, red. It's all mottled. It's never, apart from this, from here to here. So, is it someone putting pressure on the other side to make this happen? I don't know, or buying and selling in the market. That's whoever's doing it. It's pretty predictable, and having an inverse correlation to the crypto market. This is probably something to look at before I sort of have a discussion about the top 20 and what direction we can go. I can see now, just looking at this, that there is still continuing pressure, but the good news is I can see a bit of a change there. I can see we're losing momentum in the rise in DXY. So now again, this one could go either way, but we've got a wick forming down here. So we've had no wicks anywhere along here except for maybe here. So around about the 21st of October, where people started to get a little bit bullish, started to get a little bit long, and then they just sent it, kept on sending it up, and that's basically put pressure on the crypto market to come down. Now that game looks like it's finishing and it's rolling over, which means we roll up. So therefore, if you're starting to get long, or you are long and you're just about to be liquidated, Hopefully, we've seen the worst of this this pressure, and you're going to have some relief. Anyway, enough on that. So let's get into the markets. I've gone through, because there's 20 in this top 10, and I don't want to go down. Sorry, there's 20, and I don't want to do a top 10, although I'm tempted. I want to get through all these fairly quickly. So what I'm going to do, just for this video and future ones, I'll remind people, is I'm just going to say, okay, I've already gone through and just quickly double checked and moved my stop losses around. As I go through each chart, you'll see an orange line here, and you'll see the number is. So for example, XRP. This is actually in my sold column, so this is title sold. So, you know, because I'm going to go through one of these one at a time, I'm just going to double check with you, and also just show you that I've actually sold out of them. They're not in my portfolio currently. I'll switch these to USD. So XRP, we're out. We got out at 53 cents. As you can see, there's the orange there. Ton. You can again you can screenshot any of this. Pause the video. Ton, we got out at $5. It's like $4.90 something. But it went right down to $4.50. Wow. OKB, we're out of that. We got out at $39.43. Near Protocol, we're out of that. Just ignore this. There's some other stuff I was doing. Remove our stop loss. I'll just read market here. Our stop loss we got out was, it would have been, go away magnet. Stop loss was about there. So we got out at 27 because from this candle here. It would have went past it. We got out at $27. SHIB, we got out at 1742. Dot, we got out at $4.12. $4 now, $4.01. Ethereum, we got out of that just yesterday, I think. It was quite recent, and it was one of our longs this too. By the way, just so you know what I've done in this color coding on this chart, the ones in the red are the ones that I predicted were shorts, and the ones in green are the ones I predicted as being possible longs. So they've actually performed quite well. I'll just go through all of them, and I'll revisit this, so I'm not holding you guys up. I just want to get an update. Ethereum, we're out of Ethereum. It hit our stop. Where are we? Yeah, it hit us. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, it hit our stop. This is the last 5 days. It hit our stop right there. So we got out at 24.88. It's 24.73 right now. Cardano is okay. It's looking. Sorry, just adjust this. So we got out. Yeah, it hit our stop, and we got out. And then that was over here at 38.8 cents, and we're still out of that. Sui, there is a new stop loss I'm putting in. I actually haven't added this one in yet, so this is live. So $1.61. Look in the orange. So my stop loss is the $1.61. This blue is a liquidation price on my long. I just escaped getting knocked out, so hopefully that's the lowest of the lows that we see. Hopefully with DXY looking like it might give us a bit of relief. It is so overbought, the DXY. Everyone's reporting the same thing, and it just keeps on going. You know, it has been just keeping on going. So anyway, back onto this. So Sui, we're holding. It's a long. We haven't been knocked out. Bitcoin, we're still holding. Our new stop loss is 64.772. Have a look in the orange. You'll see the orange line and the orange figure there, so you can just stop and have a look. Aptos, again, the new stop loss there. We're holding it. Bitcoin Cash, we're holding it in our portfolio. $334.71 is the stop. Binance, we are holding it just below this recent volatility. Litecoin, we're holding it again. Just put your stop just below this recent volatility here on this candle. There's a lot of people have been shaken out by this recent 3-4 days, because it looks like it was like bad and then it went down even further. So Dogecoin we're holding. It's been going so strong. Chainlink, that is started to creep down, but it hasn't hit our stop yet, so we're still in Chainlink. Stop loss is you can see the $10.71. Tron. Tron holding strong. Our stop loss is over here. It's 15.63 cents. We have moved that up since the last period. Again, go through this, and if you can pause on any part and just double check the stop losses, because there's quite a few of them I updated before I did the video, because it was just taking too long. I actually did a whole video and then I ran out of time because I only got 15 minutes on these videos. Solana's going all right. Like we've got a stop way down here at $146. So I'm not moving it closer. So I'm allowing it to have some volatility and play around. This is just the US dollar, which we already covered. So, which is doing its thing. Actually, I don't like the looks of that, because that looks like there's no hesitation either. It looks as though the momentum is not slowing at all. But if you go to daily, you can see a bit more detail. You can see it's sort of coming up, shakiness, a bit of shakiness, hinting, and then a doji candle, which is, I mean, it's only a fresh candle, so you don't know how it's going to close. It's like, again, there's only 2 hours and 24 minutes into a 5-day candle, so you can almost like ignore that and just look at what's going on here. Make your decisions based upon that view. Yeah, it's very, very hard to pick, isn't it? Yeah, we just got to wait till it happens, and don't over leverage. Make sure you don't over leverage. Anyway, talking about leverage, I'll finish off the video quickly, and I've just got enough time to fit this in. So these are. Ton was my these are ones in the red. I've marked in red here are the actual ones I said were shorting opportunities. The green here were the long possible opportunities. So Ton, how did this perform? Let's have a look. Just squeeze this in. So I predicted over here that it would be a short call. If you got into that, you got 11.6% on that trade. Well, not too bad. OKB, if you got onto that one, you would have got in here, and it went down to a low of 3.66% on that trade. Near, from the time I called it to the time it went down, 15.84% call on that short. Wow, nice. AVAX, wow, another good one. This is all in the. By the way, this is all available in the video below. This is the secondary video I do, so the free subscribers get to see this on replay. Yeah, because you'll see the calls in the next video, and then 10.43% was that a call on that short on AVAX.